Hello to all my brothers and sisters in India enduring the heat wave at this time. I figure I'd make a down and dirty video to show you maybe how to keep your grandparents cool if they do not have air conditioning. I'm not a video maker, but I've already got this pre-done, so I figure I will get it on the net to see if we could save some lives in India. First thing you want to do, and you'll have to excuse my video expertise, is buy any styrofoam cooler, any size. First thing you want to do is cut around 2-inch hole at the top and center of the base. The lid itself, you're going to need some sort of a fan. I found this fan in my basement. As you can see, I have cut it to fit the fan. In the freezer, as you can see, it's just an empty coffee mate container filled with water that was put into the freezer. It is now a frozen mass. I usually put 2 of them in, but this time I'll just put 1 in to show you. Next thing you do is put your lid on, like so, and so the hole is pointing towards you. Plug your fan in. Turn the fan on high. Place it directly over the hole that you have cut in the top. Now out of this hole is blowing 38 degrees. Enough to keep your parents or grandparents cool without an air conditioning unit. I'll try to make a better video. Like I said, this is the first one I'm making. I'm just hoping I can get it out to you guys to help you cool down during this time of need. You can download this and share it as much as you want. You guys take care. Stay cool.